Hello! Sorry, it's been a minute. I just watched the sound. It sounds very echoey. I don't know why. I don't know if it's a setting on, but sorry that this whole video is going to sounds like you're in a room and it's echoey. Sorry. That's how it's going to be. Okay. Time for another video of some unboxings. We have a quick new brand unboxing for you guys. New brand, limited edition, niche, not available in the US. Very excited, love already. Got one last year, got another one this year in Mumbai. Hey guys, okay, this is the first time I'm recording with my new microphone, so let me know how it goes. I know a lot of you have said that the audio isn't always great and the camera isn't always the strongest. I got a new iPhone, brand new iPhone, so a better quality camera and a brand new mic. So let me know how this setup is, okay? I will repeat this in every video for a while, just in case you haven't seen this one. Or just in case you see it again, I'm going to ask in every video, so that's that. Okay, so today we're doing a quick unboxing. A different, same, but different type of unboxing. This is a limited edition, Mumbai only specific item that I got. Only available in Mumbai at this store, I think, or just in India in general. But I think it's just in Mumbai at this store. They have 2 stores in Mumbai. This is a brand that is no longer available in the US. They got rid of their US store. They got rid of their US website. You can't even order it online. I think you can still get it on StockX, but if you want to get it from the brand directly, you can no longer get it in the US. So I went last year, and I don't know if I posted the unboxing for it last year, but I got something last year, got something else this year. Anyway, so I'll just show you both of them because in case you haven't noticed, in case you haven't been following, I just got back from India and Paris. And I have a Paris haul for you guys in a little bit. It's exciting. We'll get into that into another one. Stay tuned for that. But today we're doing this unboxing. So, I'm trying to rebox it right now because I already brought it and I wasn't going to even bring the box, but I did. And the box got ruined, so it's very, very hard. Anyway, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, Shopaholique, and today we're doing a quick unboxing. I'll just tell you. From Onitsuka Tiger. Do a quick unboxing haul discussion from Onitsuka Tiger. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around, please smash the like button, please consider subscribing, and keep on watching. Okay, so if you don't know, Onitsuka Tiger is a shoe brand, clothing brand, mostly shoe brand. They're well known for their one specific type of Mexico 66 shoe that got very popular. They're comfy, stylish, trendy shoes. I think they originated in Japan. Don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty sure they're a Japanese brand. And they used to have a store on Rodeo Drive in the US, in LA, but they got rid of that store. And then they got rid of, I don't know if they have other stores, but they got rid of their US website too. You can't even go to the US website and buy the shoes. And there's no reasoning or explanation. It's just like you cannot buy them anymore. It says they no longer sell to the US. And like I said, you could probably get them on StockX, but if you want them from the store, you can't get them there. So my sister turned me on to these. She got a pair. Then last year, we were both in India, and there were 2 stores in India, so we went to one of the stores in Mumbai. There are 2 stores in Mumbai. She got a pair, and I got a pair. I don't know if I posted the unboxing. I feel like I didn't. I definitely filmed it. It's somewhere in my film log of millions of videos that I have not posted for you guys. Literally, there are so many. And I feel like weird posting some of them now because they're so late. But I'm going to try to post them. They might be a little bit dated, but I really have to get this content out. I filmed so much of it. And it's so good. Okay, anyway. So these are the ones I got last year. I believe they're called the Mexico 66. I think I still have the box for these. Let me go check. I do! They're called the Mexico 66 in beige and green grass. Size 10, EU 44. Beige and green grass. Okay, so these are what they are. I love these because they're very comfy. They've got support, arch support, and they're kind of stylish and cool, and they've got this little recognizable pattern, but they're not like too flashy. And the leather is really soft, and I don't know, they just fit well, and they're great for walking, stylish walking shoes, especially if you're walking a lot in Europe, in other places, just like cities where you walk a lot. Not LA too much, but anyway. So I got these last year. I love them. I wanted to get another pair in the black and the white, which is the classic one, or one of the other colors, but I didn't end up getting any of those because I don't know why, but I saw this. Well, that's why, because I saw this. So this was a limited edition, they said, Mumbai specific only collection. And so they showed me everything on the wall. Maybe I'll do a shopping vlog. Should I do a shopping vlog? Should I do a shopping vlog? Okay, if I have time, I will add it in here. If not, I'm really trying to power these all out, and it takes a lot of time to film and edit these. Time that I don't have allocated for this right now. So I will just, if I can, I'll put in a little video of me filming from there. If not, anyway, they had a whole wall of Mumbai specific ones, and I asked to see 3 or 4 of them, and none of them were available in my size, and this one was not even available in my size. It's a size bigger than my size, but it was the only one that they had, and the only one that I liked that kind of fit, and I was like, I'll just put a thick sock on. So this is what I got. I've already unboxed it, so it's not like the box is destroyed because I packed it with, but it came with. And also I've already worn the shoes. I wore them like literally the day I bought them. I wore them the rest of the trip, and then also in Paris. So they're already worn in, but they are called the Metropolis Black. They're tiger. They're a little tigery vibe, and they're kind of like a little bit of height and a little bit of like a different shape. I really like them. Black and gray can go with everything. I don't know. I really like them. What do you guys think? They're so cute, I think. Yeah. Okay. So I love them. I'm aware of them. Yeah. I hope that was helpful. Introduce you to the new brand. If you don't know it, I think it's a great brand. As I start to wear these more, I will let you know. I love those. They're very comfortable. I pull for them all the time. These, like I said, are a little thin on me, a little loose on me, but they're really comfortable and they give me a little height, and I like to go with everything, so I feel like I'm gonna wear them a lot, and they might be my new favorite shoe. Price point, these were 16,000 rupees, which is about like 180, maybe $200. So they were like $200. I think they're most affordable, obviously, in Japan. I guess check StockX, but I like them, A, because they were cool, and then B, because they're limited. So not everybody's gonna have these, which you know I love. Yeah, that's it. That's it for this short, fun video. Onitsuka. What do you guys think? Do you guys have these shoes? Do you know these shoes? Do you like these shoes? Do you wear these shoes? Do you hate these shoes? Let me know what you think in the comments below about the ones I got, or if you know this brand and your thoughts on this brand. Okay? Yay! Yay! Yeah, okay. Please let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or comments, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hated it, share with your enemies and exes. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. I appreciate you spending your time here with me. I'll see you in the next one, baby. Let's see how the sound turned out. Okay, bye.